Okay, so today, while my husband was finishing up the roof on our smoker, I decided to do another project that I've been wanting to do. I normally dry my herbs and all that kind of stuff either in my dehydrator or in my oven. And since that takes a lot of energy and also kind of warms up the house quite a bit during the summer, I decided to make a solar dryer. And my oldest son had come home. He knows that I love to repurpose things, and he had come home with some things that he had found, and one of them, show you here, it's like a metal frame glass display case. I took the back off of it and I decided to build a frame for that glass frame doors to sit on, and I put screen behind it, and I just used all basic stuff that we had here, so I haven't spent a penny on it. We had screen left over from another project. We always have extra wood laying around, and I just used the one of the saws to cut it down to where I need it, and then of course cut it to length. But I want to show you here, I've got one of the doors open. It's two glass doors. I've got screen down there, and I've got 6.5 inches of frame built up, and then legs for it to stand on. It stands tilted. I can kind of maneuver it around in our yard to make sure it gets a good southern exposure, and it'll have plenty of airflow. I just drilled these 3 holes on each side, and then I'm going to put more screen on the inside of that to make sure that bugs can't get into it. But this will be a really great dryer for me. I've got a bunch of herbs over there right now that really need drying. I need to collect them and get them dried, and then I've got some onions that I want to dry and some various other things. This is a great way to do it. Use the sun's energy instead of the energy that I pay for.